Where do I get a spoon? They are on the counter. Does she want a small portion? Yes, she eats very little. Can we share this cake? Yes, I will bring two forks. Where is the meat section? It's right behind the produce. May I use a coupon here? Yes, we accept valid coupons. Does he want hot tea or iced tea? He wants hot tea today. Should we buy yogurt? Yes, we need some at home. Can I order a sandwich to go? Yes, we do take out orders. Where can we find mustard? It's near the ketchup. Is she shopping alone? Yes, she came by herself. Do you have decaf coffee? Sorry, we only have regular coffee. Where is our food? It's on the way. Can he use the self-checkout? Yes, it's available now. Does she need more napkins? She is fine, thank you. Are they serving breakfast? Yes, until 11 am. May I have a new fork? Sure, I will get one. Can I buy a single donut? Yes, that's allowed. Where is the produce section? It's at the front of the store. Is he bringing his own bag? Yes, he always does. May we taste the sample cookies? Yes, please help yourselves. How much is a slice of tea? It's $2 each. Does she want extra sauce? No, she likes it dry. Is he looking for local honey? Yes, he wants something organic. Where can I find salt? It's next to the pepper. Are we out of ketchup at home? Yes, let's get another bottle. Does she like spicy food? She prefers mild dishes. Can he eat here alone? Yes, there is a single seat at the bar. Where is the restroom key? It's at the counter. Do we need more bread? Yes, let's buy 2 loaves. Would you like ice in your soda? Yes, just a little. Where are the apples? They are near the entrance. Is he ready to order? He wants a chicken sandwich. Where is the milk? It's in the dairy section. Can she have a slice of pizza? Sure, it's right over here. Do they have fresh bread? Yes, it's baked every morning. Does he need sugar? He prefers honey. Thank you. Where can I find eggs? Look in the SL5. Is she waiting for the bill? Yes, she needs to pay now. Thank you.